Let's recite Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah Almighty, who is most merciful and most compassionate. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है. With great respect and profound regards, respected principal, hardworking teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters, I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this beautiful galaxy. My name is Fatma Said from class 8 and I am going to host today's morning assembly. Today the date is 10th of October 2022, 30th of Rabiul Awwal, and today is Monday, the first day of a new week. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Like this. Smile and start. For morning activity, I would like to call upon Ahmed Suhail from class 3. Activity number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Attention! 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 Activity number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Attention! 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 Activity number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attention! 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 Thank you very much. You may go. क्यों नूर से दूर है. A new day means a new beginning and new opportunities. So let us welcome the day with open arms. As we all know, no program can be started without remembering the Almighty Creator of the entire universe. So first and foremost, I would like to invite Ahmad Wakar from class 3B to recite some verses of the Holy Quran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Suratul Lahab. Tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab. Bless you with goodness. कुव्वत इश्क से हर पस्त को बाला कर दे. कुव्वत इश्क से हर पस्त को बाला कर दे. दहर में इसमें मोहम्मद से उजाला कर दे. After Tilawat Pak, it's time to call for Naat Sharif. So I would like to call Ariba Rahil from class 5 for Naat Rasool Maqbool sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Please bow down your heads. ज़माना भूल जाओगे, हरा गुंबद जो देखोगे, ज़माना भूल जाओगे. Others love to listen to you and listen in such a way that others love to speak to you. For speech on Sirat Nabi, I would like to call upon Saman Asad from class 5. Dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I would like to call upon boys of class 3A.
For Asma'i Husna. So to show devotion towards motherland, all of you please be ready in attention position for national anthem. Attention! 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 State your arms, fold your head high and sing national anthem with full zeal and zest.